Hey friends, we are back. Hope this video finds you doing great and staying dry out there. But wanted to chat with you a little bit today about a few things. The topic we want to talk about today is common mistakes we see that get made when applying for a mortgage. So whether you are getting ready to apply for a mortgage or whether you are in the pre-approval process, especially if you're in escrow, these are a few things you really want to pay close attention to and avoid doing. So number one is do not deposit large sums of cash. So everything that the lender sees in your bank account, any monies you're using towards the purchase of the home, they need to be sourced. So if you throw in a big chunk of cash all of a sudden, especially in the escrow process or any time, within a few months leading up to that, they're going to stop the process and they're going to want to know where that money came from. We have to source everything. So no depositing large sums of cash. Number two, no large purchases. You can make your monthly purchases, everything that's kind of normal month to month, but if they see a huge purchase for a car, a big TV, something out of the ordinary, again, that's another thing that they will slam on the brakes and ask why. So best to avoid any large purchases. The next one, no co-signing for loans for anyone, all right? When lenders qualify you, they look at your debt to income ratio, all right? How much money you are required to pay each month compared to how much money you have coming in each month. When you co-sign, that goes against your debt. All right, so if you're looking to make a purchase on your own home, don't co-sign for anyone in the near future. The next one is don't switch banks. All right, they see that as an issue because they want to make sure all the money that you have, all of the debt you have, all of that is consistent in the same spot. And again, they're able to source it. So no switching banks. Next one, don't apply for new credit. This is a really important one. And I'll tell you a quick little story. We were in escrow one time. The client was fully approved. We were a few days from getting the loan to fund and closing escrow out. The client went out and opened up a credit card at a place to buy some appliances. And it wasn't even a lot. It was about $1,000. It was one of those like 180 days, same as cash thing with no interest. But that $1,000 was enough to flag the account and throw everything on hold. It messed up the debt to income ratio and could have jeopardized the transaction after we were past our contingency. So we were able to fix it. We were able to back him out of it and get things back on track. But a lot easier. Once escrow's closed, we hand you the keys. Go have fun, open up credit cards, do what you want. But until then, hang tight. Last few things, don't close any accounts. And then the final thing is be upfront with your lender. So the more your lender knows right out of the gates, whether you're proud of it or not, I know some of those things are sometimes tough to share, but the more your lender knows, the better chance you have of getting to the finish line without any issues. So there you go, common mistakes when applying for a mortgage. And also check out below, we got a few notes. We've got the spring ahead here coming up on Sunday. So although our phones do it, make sure we set those ovens and microwaves and all that other fun stuff ahead an hour. There you go. If you need anything, you know where to find us. Have a great one.